Sri Gurubhyo Namaha, children. Welcome to our online class. Now listen, children. Now move on to exercise 2.3. What is the topic here? Subtract and check by addition. What is this check by addition? Your answer, whether right or wrong, you want to check the answer. This is the method by adding. By adding. Check your answer whether it is right or wrong. What method you want to use? By adding. How that? Listen carefully now. Move on to the first. What you do means first you have to subtract first. First you have to subtract. Then only you have to check your answer. Okay. Now first you have to subtract. 8 minus 8. In subtraction same number mean you have to subtract. What you get your answer? Same number you have to subtract. You get 0. What you get? Same number you have to subtract. You get 0. Then here 5 down 0. That is very careful. Listen children. 5 minus 0. 5 is a greater number. 0 is a smaller number. So 5 minus 0. The same number. The number itself. What you get? 5 minus 0. 5. Okay, then here 8 minus 7. Always subtract greater number to smaller number. From greater number, subtract by smaller number. So 7 is a greater number. 8 minus 7. So 8 in the mind, 7 in the finger. Before 8 you have to count it, not in the after. In your subtraction, you have to before counting. 8 before what? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 8 minus 7, what do you get? 1. 8 minus 7, 1. Okay children, here 4. 4 minus 1. 4 is greater number, so you can't able to subtract now. 4 minus 1. 4 in the mind, 1 in the finger. Before 4 what? 3. Any number minus 1, you get the before number, that is predecessor. Already I thought you know. So before number, you get predecessor. That is before number. First process okay. You have to first what you do? First subtraction. Subtraction part okay. Then what do you next step? Check whether your answer is right or wrong. You want to check. What method? By adding. How do you add? Write down. First you write your answer. Subtraction answer you write in the first row. Subtraction answer write in the first row. Listen. Subtraction answer you want to check now. Okay, how do you check? First you write the answer of the subtraction. First you write the answer of the subtraction. What is the answer of here? 3000. $150. Okay, children. Now the question, the second row, am I right here? 1708. This 1708 you have to write in the down. Okay, always you write in the ones place only, children. 8, then tens place 0, then the hundred place 7, then the thousands place 1. Now you want to add this number. Okay, 0 plus 8, any number add with 0, you get the answer 8. 0 plus 5, the same 5. Then 7 plus this one, 8. 3 plus 1, 4. Look at this number, first row. Look at the first row. If addition answer in the first row mean your answer is right. Listen your first row 4858. In the addition answer 4858. So both are same means your answer is right. Your answer is, listen children, the first row and the addition answer is right mean your subtraction also right. That is the method. Your subtraction answer is a right. Your subtraction answer in the second row you want to add means you get the first row numbers. Your answer is right. Are you okay children? Next move on to the next sum. Look at here. 5 minus 0 what? 5 minus 0, 5. Okay. Next 7 minus 1. Any number minus 1 you get the before number. So 7 minus 1 what? 6. 7 minus 1, 6. Okay. 5 minus 4. 5 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 5 before, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 5 minus 4 you get 1. Then here 6 minus 2. 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. Before 6, 5, 4. So you get what? 4. Okay. This is your subtraction answer. Then what you do in the next? You want to do the addition. What you do the first you have to addition? First you write the answer of the subtraction. First you write the answer of the subtraction. What is your answer children? 4,160, 1,065. 1,065. Are you okay? Now move on to the second row. What is here second row? Ones place 0, tens place 1, tens place 1 and the 100 place 4, 100 place 4, what is in the thousands place? 2. What is in the thousands place? 2. What is in the thousands place? 2. Now you want to add these two. 5 plus 0, 5. This 6 plus 1, 7. 4 plus 1, 5. 2 plus 4, 6. 2 plus 4, 6. Listen children. You look at in the first row. In your first row, you get the answer mean that is your correct answer. Look at the children. Your answer will be very correct. You are adding by the second row and the subtraction answer. You get your first row answer. Listen children. Here 6575 that is same as to in this 6575. So your subtraction answer will be correct. Are you okay children? This is you get the answer whether it is right or wrong. That method is by check with by adding. Okay children? Now move on to the next sum. 9 minus 7. What is that? 9 minus 7. What do you get? 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7, you get 2. 9 minus 7, 2. Then 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3, tell me the children what is your answer? 4 minus 3, 1. Very good. And then move on to the next column. 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5, you get 3. Then what about in the next column? Listen carefully. Here 2, here 6. 2 is smaller than the 6. So you can't able to subtract from 2. So you want to borrow from the next column. So this 2 will be what you get? This 2 will be 12. This 2 is now become a 12. This 5 is, give one number to the next column in. So 5 minus 1, what do you get? 4. Okay. Now 12 minus 6. 12 in the mind, 6 in the finger. You count it in the before counting children. 12 minus 6, what do you get? 6. 12 minus 6, you get 6. Then finally here 4 minus 3, you get 1. Okay children, first part is over, your subtraction is over. Then you want to check your answer whether it is right or wrong. So what method you want to do? By adding. What method? By adding. Now listen, what you write in the first? Answer of the subtraction. What is your write in the first? Answer of your subtraction sum. What is the answer there? 61, then 6, then 3. Give a space to the every digit children, so that only you have to write your answer clearly. 1, 2. Okay. Now what you write in the second? The second row in the subtraction sum you want to write in the, here also write the second row. First ones place what? 7. The tens place 3. Then the 100 place 5. Then the thousands place 6. Then the 10,000s place 3. 10,000s place 3. Now you want to add. Now you want to add these two numbers. Okay children. 7 plus 2, 9. Very good. 7 plus 2, 9. 3 plus 1. Any number add with 1, you get the successor of the number. Successor means after number. So 3 plus 1 what? 4. 3 after 4. So the number add with 1, you get the next number. Good. 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. This 6 plus 6, 12. 12 means what you write here? 2 only you have to write here. 1 carry to the next column. Then 3 plus 1. Again 3 add with 1. The next number what? 4. Then you carry 1 add, 5. Are you okay children? Look at the first row. Look at the subtraction first row children. The answer of the addition 5, 2, 8, 4, 9. So the same means your subtraction answer also correct. Are you okay children? Now move on to the next sum. Fourth sum, you get a homework. 4, 5 and 6. These three sums are homework now. You want to do it your homework and send it to my number. Okay children, 4, 5, 6. These three numbers are homework. Are you okay? Now once again I repeat the children. Listen carefully. First what you do means First you subtract the sum first. First you given number you have to subtract first. After that you check whether your answer is right or wrong. You check by adding. By adding, what you add? Your answer right in the top. Then you have to write the second row numbers. Also here also write in second row. Then you add. Your answer is in your subtraction first row. Both are in same means your subtraction answer is right. Any numbers, any place values is difference mean your answer should be wrong. Are you okay children? Are you clear about this? Very good. Thank you children. See you tomorrow.